Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to write Kannada GUNITAKSHARA for K in expanded form. So let's start. GUNITAKSHARA. In Kannada we call spelling as GUNITAKSHARA. Vyanjana plus swara plus chinhe is equal to GUNITAKSHARA. Consonant plus vowel plus symbol is equal to spelling. We call consonant in Kannada as Vyanjana plus vowel. We call vowel in Kannada as Swara plus symbol. We call symbol as Chinhe or Matra is equal to spelling. Is equal to make spelling. We call spelling as Gunitakshara in Kannada. So let's start to write now. Okay. So half K plus A plus A matra is equal to K. Okay. Half K plus A matra is equal to K. We call A matra as talekattu. Talekattu. Next is Ka. Half K plus A matra plus is equal to Ka. Okay. Half K plus A becomes Ka. So half K plus A matra is equal to Ka. We call A matra in Kannada as Talekattina Dirgha, or we can also tell it as Ili. Okay. Next is Ki. Half K plus E plus E matra is equal to Ki. Half K plus E is equal to Ki. Okay. And we call E matra in Kannada as Gunisi, or we can also call it as Gudisi. Next is Ki. Half K plus E plus E matra is equal to Ki. Okay. K plus E is equal to Ki. And we call E matra as Gudisina Dirgha. Next is Ku. Half K plus U plus U is equal to Ku. Okay. K plus U is equal to Ku. And we call U matra as Kombu. Next is Ku. We'll write half K plus U plus U matra is equal to Ku. K plus U is equal to Ku. We call U matra as Kombina Dirgha. Next is crew. Half ka plus ru plus ru matra is equal to crew. We call ru matra as utrusulli. Half k plus ru is equal to crew. Next is K. So first we'll write half k, then A plus A matra is equal to K. Okay. Half k plus A is equal to K. We call A matra as etwa. Next is K. First we'll write half k plus A plus A matra is equal to K. Half k plus A plus is equal to K. We call A matra as etvada dirgha. Next is Kai. Half k plus I plus I symbol is equal to Kai. Half k plus A is equal to Kai. We call I symbol as aitwa. Now Ko. Half k plus O plus O matra is equal to Ko. Half k plus O is equal to Ko. So we call O matra as Otva. Now we are going to write Ko. Half k plus O plus O matra is equal to Ko. Okay. K plus O is equal to Ko. O matra we call as Otvada Dirgha. Now next is Kau. First we'll write half k plus Au plus O matra is equal to Kau. Okay. K plus O is equal to Kau. We call O matra as Outwa. Next is Kam. So we'll write first half k plus plus matra is equal to Kam. Okay. Half ka plus is equal to kam. We call matra as anuswara. Anuswara. Next is kah. So first we'll write half ka plus plus matra is equal to kah. So half ka plus is equal to kah. We call matra as visarga. So today we completed full Gunitakshara Galu for ka. Okay. So for all the remaining Vyanjana, always the vowels and the symbols would be the same. Okay. Just the spelling would be different. The spelling or the Gunitakshara will be different. Okay. Vowel and symbol always will be same in Gunitakshara Galu for all the remaining Vyanjana Galu. Okay. Everything will be same. You can see. Okay. This all will be always same. These both rows. Okay. Only the Gunitakshara will change. Gunitakshara and vowels will change. Okay. Or I mean not vowels, means consonants known as Vyanjana Galu. Okay. I hope you learned Guitakshara in Kannada very well in this video. So please like, subscribe, comment and share my videos. Till then, thank you and bye.